Hi guys, Mallory here at the Flint RiverQuarium in our World of Water exhibit. Now behind me you may recognize a species of fish. It is certainly not native to the Flint River, but these guys can be found in the Amazon River. I have our red-bellied piranhas behind me. They get their name because they have red bellies. There's all sorts of different species of piranhas. We just have these guys here at the aquarium. And they are a freshwater fish native to, like I said, the Amazon in South America. They can often be found traveling in groups, as these guys are bunching up in groups over here. Piranhas have a reputation of being a ferocious predator, but that's not actually the case. These guys are kind of scaredy cats. They're omnivores, and their diet mostly consists of insects, worms, crustaceans, and other fish, because fish do eat fish. They have been known to eat larger prey, but it's typically through scavenging and foraging. And they will eat plants during the wet season when food is abundant from all of the rain filling the Amazon River. The myth of their vicious behavior actually started with President Theodore Roosevelt in the early 1900s. While he was on a trip to the Amazon, the local peoples there wanted to entertain the president with these native fish who could put on a show if made to. So they blocked off the river with nets, collected the piranhas, and didn't feed them for a few days. When the President Roosevelt came by and he arrived, the local people there tossed a live cow into the starving fish, and of course they went crazy and devoured the fish. It'd be something similar to locking everyone in your house in a room for a week or two and not giving you any food, and then tossing in a piece of pizza. You'd probably go crazy and maybe even fight your siblings for it. It wouldn't end well. So when Roosevelt saw all of that, he wrote in his journals about this ferocious predator fish and killing all the animals and the things, and thus the myth and the legend began. And of course, we all have seen the movies or the trailers for the movies of how Hollywood has just taken that and run with it and given us the myth that we know today. I actually could get in this enclosure and in this tank, and the fish would all swim to one side, as I am bigger and they are small, and they would think that I am a ferocious predator. So just some interesting food for thought and something to think on for those guys. So I'm going to keep hanging out and watching them swim in circles. And thanks for hanging out with us today and learning about the piranhas. And we'll see you next time.